Assalamu alaikum. This is Ghulam Abbas from MH Language Solutions. Today we are going to discuss how can you deal with IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. After this video lecture, you will be able to write IELTS Task 1 response effectively. IELTS Academic Writing Task 1 is a visual task. It requires you to produce the summary of a detailed diagram or a group of diagrams. It also asks you to make comparisons and contrasts wherever it is relevant. While producing the response of task 1, generally 3 structures are followed. Please have a look at this picture for explanation of these structures. In this video lecture, I will be following structure 1. You can deal with IELTS Academic Writing Task 1 by following any structure that you want to. So let's begin. The structure that we are going to use consists of 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is an introduction. Second one is an overall. Third one is main paragraph 1, and last one is main paragraph 2. Let's talk about the introduction first. To write the introduction of your IELTS Writing Task 1, you need to paraphrase the question that has been given. When I say paraphrase the question, it means you need to write the question in your own words. For this purpose, you need to change the vocabulary in this question. You should also try to alter the grammatical structure of the question. In this way, you can write the introduction of IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. For example, have a look at this picture. While writing the introduction of task 1, keep in mind that this paragraph should be a short paragraph. It should consist of only 1 or 2 sentences. You should also try to write approximately 20 words in your introductory paragraph. And lastly, don't give your own opinion in this paragraph, because in task 1 you cannot give your own opinion. Rather, you need to summarize the details which have been provided in the question. Now, moving on towards your second paragraph, that is overall of your answer, you need to observe the diagram very closely. Try to find out the most dominant or most significant trend in the diagram. After that, write that trend generally. When I say generally, it means write it without citing or without quoting any figures from the diagram. For better understanding, have a look at this example. As you have seen in this example, that the most important figure has been mentioned without citing any figure from the diagram, since we have discussed the introductory paragraph and overall of task 1. Now we need to move on towards writing your main paragraphs. To write your main paragraphs, you need to find the most important points in the diagram. Keep in mind that you are not expected to write all the information that is present in the diagram. Rather, you need to summarize the information. For this purpose, you should select only that information which is most important. Usually, most important information consists of highest numbers, lowest numbers, anything that you find unusual in the diagram or something that is totally different from rest of the entities, any big comparisons or contrasts. All these things, they are considered the most important things in the diagram. They will help you to select the most important information that you can write in your main paragraph 1 and 2. The last step is to present the contents that you have extracted from the diagram. The general rule is to present 2 or 3 most important trends in your main paragraph number 1. Rest of the important information is written in main paragraph number 2. In the end, I hope that this video helped you to understand task 1 in a better way, and now you will be able to produce a better response of task 1 question. However, you should also keep in your mind that your IELTS writing module is a subjective module. It means that all the students, when they are given a certain question, they will write it in a different way, and maybe all the responses, they are correct. In writing, there are no correct or incorrect responses like in your listening and reading. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next exciting video. Allah Hafiz.